If you're experiencing a billing hold on your YouTube account, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you navigate through the process effectively. Step 1. Check your payment method. Log into your YouTube account and go to the payment settings. Ensure that your payment method is valid and has sufficient funds. If there are any issues, update your payment information. Step 2. Review your account status. Visit the YouTube account settings to check for any notifications or alerts regarding your account. Look for any messages related to billing holds that may provide specific instructions. Step 3. Clear any outstanding balances. If you have any unpaid balances or pending transactions, make sure to pay them off. This can often resolve the billing hold and restore access to your account. Step 4. Contact YouTube support. If the hold persists after checking your payment method and clearing balances, reach out to YouTube support. Use the Help Center to submit a request or chat with a representative for assistance. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After taking the necessary steps, monitor your email for any confirmation from YouTube regarding the removal of the billing hold. It may take some time, so be patient as they process your request. By following these steps, you should be able to remove any billing holds on your YouTube account efficiently. If problems continue, consider checking back with support for further assistance.